Before the ocean knew the sound of ships, before mankind learned to fear the
A giant, a phantom, a monster lost to time.
the Megalodon.
Its teeth were the size of a human hand, each one shaped like a perfect blade.
60 feet of raw power, with jaws strong enough to crush bone like sand.
Ambushing whales, tearing through massive prey.
For millions of years, the Megalodon dominated the ancient seas.
And patrolling the oceans like a king without equal. But even kings fall. As the earth changed, the oceans cooled. Food became scarce. Nature, the greatest judge of all, closed the chapter on its reign. Scientists say the Megalodon vanished over 3 million years ago, but the ocean is vast, and its secrets run deeper than our fear. Some believe the Megalodon still lurks in the darkest trenches of the sea,
Hidden where sunlight never touches, waiting. Die. They sink, they sleep, and sometimes they return.